Hello guys, Alexthegrumpyone here. I hope you're well. Today we've got Volvo 2020 plate XC40. We're going to set service light. For that, you're going to need to turn the ignition on once. So obviously all the lights come on. Just a second. Yep, the ignition is on. The screen will come on, and then what you're going to have to do is press and hold the button here down and the foot brake pedal, and then going to need to start the car up while keep pressing this button down here. And it will come up with the info indicator flashing about 3 or 4 times, and it should come up with a message saying the service has been reset. So obviously if you go on the status here, as you can see, obviously the maintenance is due or overdue. So like I said, ignition needs to be on. So obviously get in the car, you need to press the button once so the ignition does come on. At this point I'm going to put my phone down. I'm pressing and holding this button down here, foot brake, and starting the car up. Start the car up, so the message is coming up. Keep on pressing the button and it should flash 1, 2, 3. So it just flashed, guys. Sorry, I didn't film that. So it just flashed. When it was flashing 3 times, I've let go of the button and it come up with the message there that it reset it straight away, and it come up with the message saying that the maintenance service light has been reset. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's as simple as that. Like I said, you might have to do the procedure with opening the door, shutting the door, and then pressing the button once, and then like I said, press and hold down this one, foot brake, start the car up. Starts flashing about 3 times. When it's flashed about 3 times, let go of this button and then wait, and then it will come up with a message saying it's been reset. And then as you can see, it resets it to that status there, and the car has been serviced and obviously reset now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.